Hey, it's Colleen. So, part of the Gardening Unplugged series, we're going to do these quick little videos that are just tips and tricks that you can use in your garden. We're going to call it Ninja Gardening. So, enjoy.
Hiya!
All right, hi, we're going to talk a little bit about bulbs and putting them in the garden after you get them for like Easter or just potted bulbs. What I want to tell you is that most of the bulbs, like tulips, do repeat in the garden. This is, believe it or not, it's a daffodil. These are hybrid lilies. Hybrid lilies are very, very perennial. But just wanted to show you the trick to getting them ready to go into the garden. What I would do on something like a daffodil, which daffodils are the best of all the bulbs coming back in the garden, something like this, I would take it and I would just reduce it by about half of the foliage when I plant it in my garden. So you still have green foliage in the garden for a little bit because you want to have the plant be able to make food and feed the bulbs new energy by still having green leaves up. On tulips, I would do the same thing, but I would just take the flower stalks out. And it's real easy. A good sharp pocket knife does the trick. Same thing on these tulips. Just a quick cut and you're good to go. They look awful, but remember, by putting them in the garden with foliage up, you're getting energy back into the bulb. So make sure that you leave the foliage up for at least a month to 6 weeks. Then after that, say in July, you can go through and cut them back down. Now on lilies, lilies are very, very perennial. You can see that on this one, the flowers are completely spent. So I would go in and reduce it by half once again, cut it back, find a good sunny spot, and plant it in your garden. Now this one, it's got a little bit of life left. There's still some pretty blooms left. So you could kind of selectively prune out the one stalk that is over the hill, plant the whole thing in the garden like that, enjoy the rest of the flowers, and then as they become old, do the same thing that we did to this guy. Remember that most of your bulbs all prefer to be in sunshine, so when you plant them in the garden, always put them in sunshine. And past that, have good luck. Thank you.
Whatcha?